-13.
Make a video for all the kids.
What I like about middle school is there's a lot of different teachers. They're really nice.
I also like that we have trimesters for each specials or stuff.
That we get to meet new friends in the middle school.
The difference of elementary school and middle school that you can't move around in the different periods.
We have lockers and we have to get different folders for each classes, and you have to keep track of all your papers and your grades and stuff.
But another difference between elementary school and middle school is that in middle school we just go by ourselves. We don't have to worry about somebody to go with us.
Welcome to middle school. Middle school is going to be different than what you're used to in elementary school. Also, the big difference between classes here is that some of you may be in smaller classes, but some of you may be in what we call co-taught classes.
The difference between small and large group classes, we call the small group classes our facilitated classes, and those have between 5 and 10 students in each class. And there's lots of hands-on activities and fun projects. And then in our co-taught class, we have 2 teachers, and it's a little bit more difficult to get assistance, so you need to make sure to speak up for yourself if you have any questions. TAP class stands for Teacher Assisted Period, and that's a great time that you can ask for help from your facilitator or from your gen ed teachers, and you want to make sure that you understand all the homework that you have due for the next day.
Being prepared for the first day of school, definitely over summer, practice by a lock and practice opening the lock for your locker, because I know that's a huge thing that a lot of kids have a lot of difficulties with on the first couple of days of school. So if you're prepared and you're practicing at home over summer, then you should be able a little faster to learn. But if you don't, then the first couple of weeks you'll have it down pat anyways.
The big thing to be prepared for middle school is to get an organization system, meaning that one of those big trapper keepers will hold everything all in one place, meaning that you'll have a folder for math class, you'll have a folder for literature. All your classes will have a separate folder and a separate notebook, and it's always best to put everything all in one place so you don't need to make multiple trips to your locker and possibly misplace something. So organization is a huge thing for 6th graders.
A really important message for the parents is to make sure that you take advantage of contacting your facilitator. You want to make sure that you know who your child's facilitator is and know that they can be reached by phone or by email. So reach out to them within maybe the first week if you don't hear from them. That way you're advocating for your child.
We can't wait to meet you.